let you know that our chickens are doing great after our little fox mishap. We still have the 3 girls. Hi friends, welcome back to Trina's Humble Homestead. It is beautiful outside, and so instead of doing the rest of my seed starting inside, I decided that I am going to take it out on the back patio and mix up this dirt here and finish up my seed starting outside. I have almost all the seeds that I'm going to do. I just ordered a couple. Other than that, I'm going to get these going here and hopefully everything will grow great and we'll have a good germination. My yard is a hot mess, but my son is going to help me get it in shape this year. And so with his help, I am super optimistic that we are going to have a great growing season. Here we go. So here is where I'm mixing it up. Then I will get it into some containers here and get the seed started. So we'll just give you a little quick video of getting these all finished up. We'll show you as they sprout. All right. Back, fam. So I have gotten some plants done today. It's still lovely out. I did get a little sun, but I'm going to show you what I got done today. And right now we are putting up, or I should say we, but I have friends over that are doing it. I'm pretending that I'm helping, but I'm really not. I actually cooked. We did some burgers on the grill. They're over trying to get this together. I did send my friend Marty a bunch of YouTube videos for her to watch for the instructions, but you know, she did it. They're trying to do these instructions, which are not the best instructions. So I will show you what greenhouse that I did purchase, and I'll show you the process now being put together, and then I will show you what it looks like when it's done. Here we go. So here are the seedlings that I got upplanted today. And then I just got some peppers in here. I have to do some more tomorrow. My son's coming tomorrow. And those are the girls putting the greenhouse together over there.
It's not this thing right here that we just stuck these, right? That wasn't these, no, was it?
Ashley and Marty, they live in my little town here. And they're like super good at fixing things and putting things together, which y'all know I am not good at.
A22 to A93, A15.
So here we go. I will show you a little more progress, and I will also show you when it's done.
What are those? What are those two right there?
Say hi.
Hi.
We've gone to a 4-man. Marty's a little frustrated, but we're still working on it. But it's coming together. Look it. We had
to bring a man in.
We had to bring a man in. YouTube fam. We haven't decided if we're missing pieces on this yet or not. We'll let you know when it's all together. I offered to bring in the duct tape, but you know, that's how I put things together. All right, we'll show you when it's done. See you in a bit.
Gotta be like that, or
this is the best, best greenhouse ever. Ever. Don't you think it's the best greenhouse, Ashley? It's the best. We're on like hour 8. I'm just kidding, but yeah.
Yeah, B1.
That's a roof. Yeah, that's a roof sheet. We don't need that. We need on the bottom. We need.
You said B1s.
Well, those are for the roof, though. That's what
B1s is what we're putting
That's
on
not
the
granted, but we need to have my window in.
I know.
So yeah, well, that bit, if you slide it in there. Slide it in there. You can hold on. Slide it, but down on this way, right here.
It's the same thing as the side.
This is not a windy day, Patrick.
It wasn't windy earlier, I'm just saying. No, I was out here all day. It was not windy earlier.
Where's the hanger for the window? That's what
The the little A22 piece? Is it just A50?
I don't. Something ain't right with this piece. Unless you screw on.
No. But then maybe this goes down in this one, like way down here. One more.
Yeah, but what does it fit in this down here?
Maybe it's
In the inside? In the inside.
in this thing. Wait, we gotta get in the right hole up here. Are you in the bottom one?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
then we don't go in the slot inside.
Okay, well, no. What spot? Like right there? Because it needs to. Okay, so stop. This one's not the right spot then. Take this top out. And it needs to go to very end one. Right here. Where my thumb is?
Like down here.
It will though. Oh, that's what I was going to say. But I think it slides
Right.
on top of it. That's how it goes over. See how it like wedges in this little bit there? Well, it's not going to slide in that way. He's not worried about the part, like he doesn't need it like right now. Like, he's totally can wait, he said. Wait, Brandon, hold on. You're missing it. Back up. Hold on. I'm not even in the hole. Okay, hold on. You can pull it
Trying
out.
to go to the top one?
No, I'm trying to get it so it's wedged. Get it right there. Right there. That's what I wanted it. Right there. You got
My
it?
question is though, where does it go in the bottom?
It should go right where it is. You go right where it's at. Maybe this thing hits right there and just hangs there. Is there a ledge?
Something that
Isn't there a
goes
ledge where it's sitting on? Brandon, is it sitting on a ledge? Yeah. Okay, well then there's going to be a middle piece that's going to go up and hold it down still. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Remember that piece that we just had that kind of whacked me in the face? I guess so. That's one I'm going to probably say. Yeah, that's what this one. Okay, let me get
This is a fun Friday night at Trina's house in Hunter. This is what we do. Good times.
I can't reach around that though.
Here it is, I got it.
Oh wait, hold on. Is this the right one, really? Because there's a... Hold on, this isn't the right piece. We're gonna have to flip it around because this has got the bar, I think, for the window. So we have to flip this around. See, look at the window. There's a thingy for the window, which needs to get...
All right, we are going to pause the video now. I think we got some good comic relief out of that.
This is hard.
Okay, Marty, thank you for...
It is. It's hard. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be a psycho, but...
No, but it really... No.
They need the directions, literally. I mean, I don't even know who... No, that's not even that. They're written in English, but they don't make it enough.
And maybe all the...
There it is. H12.
Maybe all the pieces would help? Do you think all the pieces would help, Marty?
Yeah, well, we're just missing something that I have in my house.
Are you finding the piece we were missing after everything's put together? Did I not say that's going to happen? Okay.
What cud would be like to a cow.
What did you think of the matcha?
Well, matcha is kind of like, it reminds me of like when a cow, like, it was very,
It's like that.
someone ground up some
And the
grass.
kid goes on top of it.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, ground up some grass and like stuck it with some funky tea.
Which is really funny because they're talking about how they're running low on matcha because it's the earliest leaves that they have to pick
Is
of
it
the
really
green.
of
Yeah.
grass?
Of the green tea leaves, and they have to pick them very, very early.
So if they would have let them get bigger, then it'd be green tea. So
Yes. So now they're
green
saying,
tea is matcha.
yeah. So now what they're saying is that people are like selling fake matcha, and
They're probably using grass clippings. Like I bet.
yeah, and it's like going to be super high. So that organic matcha over there is going to be so high priced, which I don't
mean,
even
if
like
they-
it. That's right. So what?
I'm just saying, if it's high priced, it probably should make you feel really good.
Well, it's supposed to give you like the caffeine without the caffeine. You know that it's all.
the caffeine. Like that's
Well, if you're going into town, that's why.
So what are you? What? How was putting
so putting that together was absolute chaos because their directions, like the pictures, look great, but when you stick it on, you have to pay attention to where they go because now we got to take it apart because the top's not on right.
And we brought in reinforcements. So what?
We
what?
lost daylight.
After.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to. You were here when we did that. No.
No, he wasn't.
We just put those on when you.
No, wait.
What, I have this? I feel like I need this.
Oh,
you
you'd
can't
have
see
to
that.
come back and help us put it together tomorrow if you had that.
He's got to
I
be
have
up.
to work it.
You have to act like you're farming tomorrow.
Alright, well.
Act? Or,
It's a little early in the season to farm.
we gotta get things ready though.
Oh.
What? You didn't do that last year, so they're
Okay.
pre-ready. Don't they prep? Like pre-prep, put something in there.
We don't have big.
Oh, there goes
fences
some
over
kiddos outside. So when we first started putting this together, what did we look at? We thought where these screw holes are being covered up by metal. So what were we thinking about that?
Well, I did comment and say, gosh, why would these be over this metal and you can't see them?
And then I commented and said, I think they're on the wrong side.
But
somebody else.
But Mouth over here, like, decides that she knows everything.
Yeah, she likes. Yeah.
I tell.
No
Hence
comment.
the reason.
I just kept my P's and Q's.
I'm not trying to be like a major a-hole, but oh my god.
And I said I'm going to sit over here and practice my
Look,
ministry
oh my
of
god,
science.
it's showing you. Look, it's showing you the pieces right here. Oh, look, it's showing them poking out right here. Look, there's the thing. There it is.
Look at that. Mr. Markham comes pick them up.
Are you kidding me?
That's why they came.
The correct way?
Yeah,
Baseball
right there.
season's here.
So let's go look and see what it looks like right now outside. We'll just go take a little
I mean,
peek.
you go look. It's broke. It's backwards.
It's backwards.
It's backwards and we're weighing it down so it doesn't blow away. So we're weighing it down and then we're going to take it all apart tomorrow and redo it. And it's so funny because it goes up and down. It goes up and down. The cats are just hiding. They don't
Yeah,
know.
but where's the where's the trigger for it so it sees us?
Well, it's just whenever they move and
Like
then,
how do where's the movement part where it sees?
no, just
Where's the seeing eye though?
yeah, it goes up and down.
Yeah, but what do you have to get it to move?
This is Marty trying to play with the cat toys. Just walk by it or touch it. You just got to touch the bottom like you're trying to get it. Touch the bottom part, the mouse at the bottom.
So there's like no seeing eye thing? Like,
No, you just touch it. Like your cat's trying to grab it. The bottom. Grab the bottom.
Grabbing the bottom.
Look at her
Oh,
face.
you know what?
I wish I would have got
Like
that.
way too.
I wish I would have got her face. Yes, that was her face.
I mean,
I looked them up. They have all sorts of crazy ones you can get for them.
Yeah, aren't they great? But that was like the best $20 I spent. The cats let me sleep at night. Put your foot under there. Look at it. It just went up. Put your foot
Yeah, but
there. Look at it. There it goes.
it must be underneath it or something.
Yeah, there you go. When you walk,
Bad trick on me last night.
this is a Friday night in Hunter. This is what we do.
And I ripped my finger that my sewing machine sewed on. Oh, look at that.
Ugh, you better get it cleaned up good. Do you need some antibiotic ointment?
Oh no.
Freaking just went off and then.
All right. Well, thanks everyone.
Turn on the 10-4 over now. How do you do it? On closing, closing.
I say thanks everyone for watching. Be blessed and have a great day. And remember, you are loved.
You are loved.
That's what I do. Yeah, you must watch my videos because you knew that.